Realme has sent me two boxes. This is the Realme GT 5G. This is in the racing yellow colorway. Very excited for this one. And this is a special package, so I've been informed this is the dare box, and I'm very curious to know what's inside. Of course, I'll get to the phone, but in a bit. First, let's see what's here. Okay, so I've opened the box and you guys already saw the bunch of cool stuff that came inside. Now let's take a look at all the things one by one. Okay, first is this black t-shirt celebrating 100 million Realme fans. So how does this look on me? Wait. Much better, right? Wait. Now it's perfect. Okay, besides this cool looking t-shirt, there are two other things that I have to show. First is this metal souvenir Realme GT Master Edition. Master Edition? Isn't this the GT 5? Anyway, this is a cool looking souvenir. And now on to the interesting part. So the Truth and Dare cards. Ayan, quickly pick one card for me. I don't know. Let's do it in front like this. Which one is it going to be? Give it to me. What is it? Okay, so guys, you have seen this.
Fatality.
Call a friend using a Realme phone, pretend it's their birthday and sing them a happy birthday song. Okay, I'll be back. I'll get my Realme phone. So guys, I have the Realme X7 Max with me right now and I'm about to call my best friend and sing him a happy birthday song. On speaker. Pick up the call, man. Hello? Hello?
Hello? हाँ भाई.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
एक सेकंड रुक जाओ.
Hello?
क्या? Hello?
हाँ, happy birthday यार.
किसका बर्थडे आज?
Happy birthday मेरे Realme फोन से तुझे.
अरे यार बात नहीं है यार कुछ भी यार. मेरे पास काम नहीं है मुझे तो करना था कम से कम.
अरे काम कर तो रहा हूँ, काम ही तो करो. तू वीडियो पे है यार मेरे. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys, so that was all for the fun and games. Now let's check out the Realme GT 5G. The Realme GT 5G is a special smartphone, there's no doubt about it, and everything about this phone screams premium. The in-hand feel is superb, the ergonomics are great, and this particular vegan leather edition is slightly thicker at 9.5mm versus the glass finish GT, which is 8.4mm thick. Realme says this yellow vegan leather finish also features a glass area panel underneath and not a plastic one. The vegan leather back in itself looks and feels high quality, and the black glossy strip adds that visual element of a fast and feature loaded device. Speaking of which, the GT 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. I have the fully loaded 12GB plus 256GB variant here, which also features the dynamic RAM expansion feature that lets you increase the RAM by up to 7GB, making a total of 19GB at max. Crazy. Moving on to the display, this is a gorgeous Super AMOLED panel, a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display, just about the right size. 120Hz refresh rate, can reach up to 360Hz touch sampling rate while gaming, offers a peak brightness of up to 1000 nits and supports 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. The display looks absolutely stunning, no doubt about it. Colors pop, content looks so nice on it, be it movies or games, and there's support for HDR10. There's also a video image sharpener and a video color enhancer feature found in the display settings. I will be testing these out for the full review. Software is handled by Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11, and the software experience has been delightfully smooth. I mean, at this point, Realme's software feels polished, comes loaded with features, and of course, with the muscle the Snapdragon 888 provides, everything has been buttery smooth. Thermal management for that matter has also been fantastic even during playing graphics intensive games. This is thanks to the stainless steel vapor cooling system and of course the hardware and software optimization. I'll be giving my final thoughts about the overall performance of this smartphone in my full review, but for now, take a look at some benchmarks. Other features include a headphone jack, yes you heard that, a headphone jack on a flagship smartphone, a stereo speaker setup, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and I'm not even kidding, an expandable storage slot would have made this phone complete, but never mind, it's not here, and you're anyway getting ample storage on this device. In terms of connectivity, there is Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, carrier aggregation, and on your screens are the supported 5G bands just in case you're interested. There's a 4500 mAh battery under the hood, and in this brief time I've used this phone for 2 charge cycles, and on both occasions the phone lasted me about a day and a half easily with around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. My usage involved about 2.5 hours of watching videos, an hour of playing games, making calls, using social media and stuff. However, battery life shouldn't be much of a concern anyway because a full charge takes about 30 to 35 minutes thanks to the bundled 65-watt charger, which is insanely fast. Okay, finally the camera. You're getting triple lens at the rear, a 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. At the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera situated in the hole punch. As I said earlier as well, I will be reserving my thoughts for the full review, but for now, these are some of the photo samples that I took. But yeah, to know everything about how the GT's camera performs, or in fact how the phone performs on a whole, definitely stay tuned for my full review. So that was the quick unboxing and first look at the Realme GT 5G. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then definitely smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. And also for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.